And a crucial man now comes out to the middle. Azim Kazi, captain par excellence.
ये सिंपल डिविएशन था और बॉल टर्न हो रहा है. ये बहुत ही बढ़िया शॉट. बाउंड्री रिवर्स स्वीप. ही सेट एंड नाउ ही इज गोइंग टू मेक द मोस्ट ऑफ दिस. काजी
जी बिल्कुल, कप्तान वहां पे खुद मौजूद है.
But other northern state of India, that is Rajasthan. Innovative stroke making from Azim Kazi, and he brings out the reverse again and collects yet another 4.
So it took a long time, but I think Kazi is in great form and he's not going to give this lad a chance to settle.
दोनों काफी क्रिकेट.
Azim Kazi will continue with his fluent touch and collect yet another boundary. Simple stroke from Kazi. 14 done, 1-1-1 for 2 Jets.
तो यह कुछ अलग डालेगा.
फुल टॉस गेंद सीधी जाएगी नहीं. यहाँ पे मिस फील्ड. एक चांस क्या है, कैच हो सकता था.
There's runs on board. 5 overs to go. What will happen? Picks that one. Not too short, but picks it really well.
What a way to resume play after the strategic timeout off the middle of the bat. Terrific pull shot. Just fell next to the ball boy there. Thankfully, he's and a mother to look after. Full toss, hoiked. The catch is nowhere close to that fielder. Make that 2 boundaries. Kazi goes big into the leg side once again. Look at the muscle and the menace in that 6.
And this is one of those boundaries. Tried to bowl the straighter one, but picked it up very cleanly. Azim Kazi towards the leg side, and he's very strong in that region. Normally, left-handers are very strong in that region, and he picked that one to big effect. Got
To go. Full toss, dispatched with disdain. Evades the fielder. Maximum once again. Kazi's lofted this, and he'll clear the infield. And it scoots away to the boundary of the free hit. A 6 of the full toss in the...
that over, no problem, no danger of getting out on this one because it's a free hit. Gets the outer edge, swishes on that one, and it goes for a 4. 10 runs of one single ball.
Not complaining. Kazi making merry once again. Excellent looking stroke along the carpet this time. Like Kazi tries sending this into the orbit. Copes a blow into the body now. The second big one he's coped onto his person. Remember, he already had coped one. Substantial enough for him to retire himself out. He cannot motor on, he thinks. Deservedly gets an applause from the dugout and from the Jets owners.